Hello again. I'm back in Ohio. Quick trip to Indiana. I'm at the new Paris Antique Mall, and I do not believe I've ever been here before. So I am looking forward to going in, getting warm, and hopefully finding some cool stuff. Oh my gosh. 100 for all four. Those are fantastic. One is repaired, and I wouldn't want to split those up, so I'm going to leave those here for a collector, though it's hard to pass up on. I like the little cameo ring in there. This is a fun display. Look at the lucite pin cushion, little dresser box. That's a sweet little watch. Elgin. I love how tiny and dainty it is. And then down here, some dolls. I like the Big Bisque one. Gorgeous Bullicante Murano piece. That's only $45 too. That's insane. So heavy. So pretty though. That's a great set right there. Uranium glass. That's the old stuff too. $325 on that. Some really nice glass. Love the little Burmese. Down here, nice opalescent Vaseline. He's pretty great. I don't know, I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna start out in basement antiques. Sounds promising. Let's check it out. I've definitely never been here. I thought I might have when I pulled up. Oh gosh, it's dark. Let me pay attention to what I'm doing here. It's so pretty down here. This place was a nice surprise so far. Well, this is my favorite thing I've seen so far. It's heat, and it's working. Kind of like this display. Look at the Coca-Cola blotter. Love the graphic on that. Really nice display of pottery and planters. Although this one, look at this, acro agate. That's so cool. And that's only $25. That's a nice one. Lots of really fun little tins. Some fun stuff. Napoleon, look at the tiger balm. That's awesome. Gosh, the amount of time that they must take to display all this stuff this way. Really well done. And then in here, I like this, looks to be Aladdin lamp. It's unusual. I love the shade on that. I like this booth, the giraffe up there. That's a really fun piece. Let's see what else they got. A little pink milk glass. What? It's only $5. I guess I'll have to take that. Oh my gosh, look at all the fun toys. Candy jawbreakers. That's so funny. This dog is pretty fun. Oh, it's a wiener dog. That's great. Know a lot of people who would like that. Yeah, the displays here are amazing. And then what's back here? Oh, this is a great setup. All right, this is awesome. All the bangles. And some fun pins. Oh my gosh, the prices are amazing. Oh, so sweet. Love the mother of pearl sweetheart brooches. And then in here is some nice jewelry. Gonna have to check that out. Oh my gosh. Look at this glass poodle. It looks to be Italian, I'm assuming. That's amazing. $130. And then 20% off too. That's kind of surprising. It's not a uranium one. I didn't think it was, but that is pretty spectacular. I might have to do some calculations on that. Oh my gosh. Look at this lamp. That's spectacular. $157. Look at the acro agate base. Wow, this booth is really fun. And look at the hand-painted uranium fan base. Oh gosh, that's really in there. Yikes. Got it out. Oh, dang, $85. Let's see if I can safely. Well, went back in easier than it came out. Yeah, so many fun displays in this booth. Well, in this whole place, I should say. That's cute. They don't make things like they used to, that's for sure. I'm in the rotating case here. I really like the glasses. Those are at 45, and then the micro mosaic. That's only 16. That's a really pretty one. Look at some fun stuff. I haven't gone much further, so we're experiencing it all together. The rotating cases can be super fun because you never know what you're gonna see. Ooh, like the metal mesh purse. Good grief, say that 10 times quick. Little candies. Back to where I began. Some great polka dot glasses. Blendo, Ellie Smith. Like this case. Some nice Pyrex. I don't really do the Pyrex, but more interested in the smalls. Oh, whoa. This place is much bigger than I thought. I thought there was an upstairs when I pulled up, and I found the stairs. Look at how pretty this place is. Oh, it looks like got a nice pottery selection here. I really like this one. The lighting is really warm in here too. Nice canal glass up there. The lamp's really pretty. I love the slag glass shades. And there's an intercom section, which I love. Is this a little compact? How cute. What's this piece of cameo glass in here? Oh, it's a reproduction. Gosh, that's so pretty though. I love the green. Really pretty stretch glass fan base here. But it's actually these little lamps that I like so much. Those are really fun. $50. All right, now here, check this out. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? I've never seen that one. Another great kitchenware booth. What is this lemon down here? Oh, I think he's a sprinkler. That's so funny. Well, I was gonna go up again, but I think I skipped this booth over here. This is really pretty. Some great vases. Oh, just Blendo glass, man. That in Morgantown, I'm telling you, I think it's the most underrated thing. Oh, wow, this is pretty. A pansy vase. Gosh, that's only $25 too. That's glass. That's insane. All right, we got another level to go here. Wow, it's magical back here. Wow, look at this Christmas tree with all the hand-blown glass ornaments. How fabulous. Oh my gosh. There I am. Oh, but the Marilyn Monroe, she's fantastic. Great nook of Christmas. It's so peaceful in here. Oh, look at this one. That's a good one. $25 for a collector. Even for me, there's a little room in that. It's a great price. And the paint's all there. A lot of the times they're missing. I like this booth. The mannequin head is great. Her hair color is amazing. I don't think I could pull off that color hair. Oh, the pig bank. Gosh. Fun stuff. I don't know why, but I'm super into this oil lamp. The colors on it are awesome. British mini lamp. That's so funky. That's really cool. I've been going through some of the jewelry down here. I love the little stick pins. Look at the one with the hand painting and the shell. Looks like I missed something back here, Oh my gosh. That is fabulous. Is it broken? I don't understand. I guess it's missing something. I wonder if the spoon's intact. It's worth investigating. Yeah, that's a really good find. They go anywhere from $175 to $200. This one is $39. Now the spoon's fully intact. It's got a little rough spot at the end, but it's actually not missing anything. So I think I'm gonna be picking that up because that is amazing. Well, very cool. And the Holt Howard was on sale, so it ended up being $38. That was a great bargain for me. And I think I'm gonna call it a day early today. I'm kind of worn out from all the excitement and ready to warm up and eat. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.